In this video, we will show you how to fix a Google Pixel 4a that can't send SMS or text messages. Texting issues may occur from time to time, but more often than not, they're not that serious. As a matter of fact, you may be able to fix them by doing a couple of easy procedures. If you're one of the users with this problem, here's what you should do. First solution, check the signal indicator. Your phone must have a good signal reception to be able to send and receive text messages. So take a look at the upper right corner of the screen to see how many bars your phone currently has. If you only have one or a couple of bars, then that might be the reason why text messages aren't sent. Most of the time, the problem is intermittent but still very annoying nonetheless. But the thing is that the problem will be fixed once you go to an area with excellent coverage. However, if your phone has a good reception but text messages aren't sent, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. Assuming your phone has a good signal reception but still can't send SMS, the next thing you have to do is to refresh its memory. You have to do the forced restart, which also reloads all apps and services. Here's how it's done on your Pixel 4a. Press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the Google logo shows, release it and allow the device to continue the boot process. After the restart, try to see if your Pixel 4a can now send an SMS. Third solution, reset the network settings. After doing the first and second solutions and your phone is still not capable of sending an SMS, then you have to reset the network services. This will bring all the network settings back to their default values without deleting any of your files. It's effective in fixing problems like this. Here's how you do it. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and then tap System. Tap Advanced. Tap Reset Options, and then tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings at the lower right corner. If prompted, enter your screen lock. Tap Reset Settings again at the lower right corner. After the network reset, try sending a text message to your own number. Fourth solution, call your service provider. After doing the previous solutions and your phone is still not able to send text messages, then you have to call your service provider. There can be an issue with your account, and a representative should be able to help you with it. If there is also a network problem, you'll be given a time frame as to when the issue will be fixed. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or another. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.